It is raining cats and dogs, my friend. Well, go ahead, big up on yourself and welcome back to the channel. I am in Negril, out by Burger King to be exact, you know, right out by the seaside, seashore. Yeah, I don't know, you guys know where I'm at. So it's raining. I'm out here actually trying to get some banger photos for my Instagram. But I don't just want to take photos, you know. I want to take photos where when you see them, those photos evoke some kind of emotion. So I thought the raining kind of environment would, you know, assist where that is concerned. So yep. And if you're an Instagram person, please comment your handle down in the comments, you know, tell me what you know about, you know, photography. I've always been a lover of photography, you know, but I don't know, video my first love, but the universe has been giving me some time, and you know, some things that happen as of recent where I feel like more explore this photography thing. And as me say, don't just want to take photos, more want to take photos that has all those thousand, every single one of those, you know them say, a picture or a photo is worth 1,000 words. Yes, I want to take photos that have all those, every single one of them 1,000 words there. So that's what I'm out here doing, and if you're an Instagram person, this might be our opportunity to connect, you know, like-minded people, make friends and all of them good stuff there. So yeah, in Negril, out by, which part out that's the name though? Out by Burger King where the boat them come in and all them kind of stuff. I don't know which part exactly, but I'm in Negril and we're trying to get some banger photos. But we don't know how we do before we start go out. Although I don't think we can go right now because it's raining. However, we're going to see what can happen. So before we do all of the do thing, we don't know how we do, we get visuals and then yeah. So those songs that you're hearing, raindrops. Bap, bap, bap. So I'm at my second location now. Wow. She's nice. Yeah, so I'm at my second location now. Don't know. It's over by the beach. Negril same way. After you go over the bridge, come over the beach park place. Yeah. So I'm waiting for the rain to hold up again. But guess what? When I was over by Burger King, I got the perfect moody photo. So I got this photo of a pelican, seemed as if one of its wings were broken. And I thought that was perfect for moody. It was perfect for moody. It's raining, this pelican lost or damaged one of its wings, and I thought it's perfect. It's perfect. So yeah, have a look. Yes, of course it is sad. So the pelican lose him wing, of course, or sad same damage him wing, but you know, yeah, everything just fall into place a while ago. Like I got the perfect photo for that moody thing that I was looking for. This entire beach park looks moody, apart from the persons that are over there. I wonder if I could get like a couple's photo. I don't know if they're together or anything like that. I could probably just run out there and ask to get some photos with them. But apart from that, this entire space environment, it looks moody. It looks moody with the wet sand and looks moody. So I'm going to try and see how I can fit everything into the composition, you know, the frame, and you know, get some more of my moody photos for my Instagram. So yeah, get some more visuals. So tell me, how are you going to some general?
I say I was back already on the beach on general do same way, you see me in Jamaica, you see me?
So things go on for you same way in the time?
Things and little things go on same way, you know?
Oh what?
So I can run things so I take it a little easier, you see me?
Alright, Papa.
Yeah man, so you know, so we do everything on the center here, so you know?
Alright, big up yourself, Papa. Alright, manners. Up for some time now, so I was getting some photos while you guys were looking at those visuals. So far so good, and most importantly, this is fun. This is really fun. So one thing I can tell you, if Like if you're feeling, how do I put it? Like this really adds some kind of tranquility, some kind of serenity to some part of it, because like everything seems to be falling in place. So you guys can check out these photos. Like everything is going as planned so far. I've been getting the moody photos. Those photos with 1,000 words, in my humble opinion. So far, so good, and I'm loving it. So, I think that's enough for this one. Thank you guys for tuning in. Tell me what you think of my photos. And as I said, if you're an Instagram person, this is our opportunity to connect. You know, talk about photos, our passion for photos, and you know, photography. So yeah, definitely link up in the comments with your handle. Go and check out my Instagram, Akeen Lawrence 2021. Yeah, and yeah, comment your handle down in there. So yes, I think that's enough for today. Gonna go in, edit these photos. Oh, by the way, when you're watching this video, these photos, the ones that you see would have already been edited, or probably just do that slideshow thing to show you the before and after. And the rain is also coming down again, so I guess that is my cue to go. So, yep, thank you for tuning, made it this far. Definitely leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Later, or I'll probably continue this video into tomorrow, or I don't know.